So we're back. We're back. Just half an hour ago we didn't have any content for YouTube, but now the bell rang again and we got this parcel for our roommate Dulu. So he's sleeping and I've took the permission to have an unboxing of this parcel. He told me that there's a hair dryer inside it. So let's do this unboxing. So this came from Amazon and the guy, he took a 660 rupees from us at this time of demonetization. I say fuck to him because we need money. He should have brought his what? Card
machine.
The card machine, yeah. Okay, I hate it. Okay, just give me one sec over here. You're doing it. So, are you guys ready?
Yeah!
It's not opening, man. Let's do a surgery over here. I hope you guys are not annoyed that this is my third video today and the night is still young. We might get drunk and we
no
might
more
make videos. So this is just an experimentation before I die. So if I die, at least people can see these videos. So here it is. Nova NHPA 201 Saloon Compact. So this is a hair dryer for my roommate Dulu, but you know, this might be of use for someone else also. Okay. So there's one more QC check. Oh, something how like no. Wow, this looks nice. Now look at this one, man. This goes here, I guess. Okay. And this is the machine. Wow, it looks so cool, man. It's like I might use it as a mic. Hello. Okay, so how do we use it? I don't know.
Stop.
No, not stop. Let's stop with that.
Yeah?
Okay, so the next video will be you'll see my hair. You'll see my hairs very smooth and silky after using this Nova product. So please go buy it on Amazon. It's just for 660 rupees. I don't know, I haven't used it, so the reviews will be there. So bye.